Dish Network vs DirecTV 2025. Which satellite television service is better? Most people get satellite television wrong by focusing solely on channel count. In 2025, Dish Network and DirecTV both offer comprehensive packages, but there are key differences. Dish Network is known for flexible packages, including the Hopper for recording multiple shows simultaneously. You won't believe what happens next. Dish Smart Home integration and Sling Television bundle make it a strong choice for cord cutters who want extra streaming options. DirecTV, on the other hand, boasts strong full Sunday ticket coverage and premium channels. The surprising truth is that its persistent supports up to 5 shows recorded at once, but pricing can be higher than Dish. For pricing, Dish often provides lower introductory rates, while DirecTV appeals to sports fans and premium content seekers. Both services offer programming and on-demand apps. In conclusion, if flexibility and streaming bundles matter most, Dish Network is likely the better option in 2025. For dedicated sports fans or those wanting high-end premium content, DirecTV may be worth the extra cost. Your choice depends on content preferences and budget.